Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Wanbo X5 Pro sent to us by Wanbo. Big thanks to them for the opportunity to test this projector and share my thoughts with you. If you don't know Wanbo, they are part of the Xiaomi ecosystem, known for stylish, affordable projectors and punch away above the price class. The X5 Pro is one of their latest models, and on paper it looks impressive. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's first see the specs. Wanbo X5 Pro features 1080p native resolution, brightness up to 1100 ANSI lumens, and Google TV 11 with full Google certification. It's powered by a quad-core processor, 2 GB of RAM, and 16 of storage. It also has autofocus, auto-keystone correction. Unboxing is straightforward. The projector comes well protected with minimal but solid packaging. Inside you'll find the projector, a power cable, a remote control, and a quick start guide. No HDMI cable included, so keep that in mind. The X5 Pro 2025 has a clean, minimal design, rounded edges, matte finish, and feels premium without being bulky. On the back, you'll find the power input, one HDMI that is upgraded to version 2.0, 2 USB ports, and a headphone jack. Up front, the full glass lens stand out, much better clarity and durability than plastic lenses. To mount a gimbal bracket, you have two ways. One is using the 1/4 inch screw hole in the middle, or you can remove the rubber feet to reveal the screw holes. Once attached, you can angle and adjust the projector. On first boot, the projector runs its autofocus instantly. It's quick and accurate. Then you pair the remote with Bluetooth, which takes just a second. After you're connected to the internet, you see a system update pop up. Good to know the device is being supported with updates. The X5 Pro 2025 runs Google TV 11 with Google certification, meaning you get full access to the Play Store, YouTube, and Chromecast built in. The interface is smooth and snappy, with no noticeable lag. The video on YouTube looks sharp, with good colors and brightness, even with moderately lit room. In the settings menu, you can control picture modes, keystone correction, and network setup, and you can find all the Android usual settings. After finishing with the settings, we went ahead and ran the system update. It installed quickly and improved stability. Voice commands via Google Assistant work perfectly. Can I install Chrome on this TV?
According to Nira, Chrome can only be installed directly on Android TVs. Other smart TVs, like Samsung or Sony TVs, will require workarounds.
The audio quality is solid for a built-in speaker. Balanced mids, clear voices, but not much bass. If you want better quality, I'd recommend to use external speakers.
Ho fermato una guerra.
Forse.
Alright, now let's see pros and cons. So for pros, we can say it has bright and sharp image with glass lens, autofocus and auto-keystone are very fast and accurate, Google TV certified, and stylish design and handy gimbal bracket. So cons, we have no HDMI cable included in the box. It has only one HDMI, built-in speakers are just okay, and 2 GB of RAM means heavy multitasking isn't ideal. But overall, for the price, it's an excellent projector for home entertainment. This was our review of the Wanbo X5 Pro 2025. I'm A from doc.online.progress, and I'd like to thank Wanbo for providing this unit for review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you on the next one. Bye!